皆さん、こんにちは。Joanna です。I know. Prepare for what I will say now, but yes, I didn't see Boku no Hero. I did not. And I also didn't see Kimetsu no Yaiba. So I didn't see My Hero Academia, and I also didn't see the Demon Slayer anime. I'm a big fan of anime, but when they came out, I just didn't see them, and I still didn't saw them, and I didn't see it. And they are super popular, and all the time when I tell my students I didn't see it, they are like, what, Joanna, how can you not see it? Just see it. Like, okay, I know I have to. So last week I started seeing Demon Slayer, so today I decided to do learn Japanese with Kimetsu no Yaiba, because I started seeing Kimetsu no Yaiba a few days ago. So I seen 3 episodes of Kimetsu no Yaiba, and today we will be checking out the words that I heard a few times. If you like learning Japanese with anime like I do, don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos about this topic. So it's not a specific vocabulary that we will be learning, but it's a vocabulary that you can practice while you are watching that anime. I think the second season is coming out now or something. So you are probably watching it or rewatching it, or you didn't see it, then you should see it like I should. So let's check out Kimetsu no Yaiba and use it to learn Japanese. And let's check out the words that I think are the words that usually appear a lot in this anime. So let's go. So to start, before checking out anime clips of Kimetsu no Yaiba and checking out the words that I feel they say many times, let's learn 2 words that I think are relevant for this anime and that are also related with the other video of Spy X Family, where we learn the vocabulary of family. So those 2 words are about the family. So the 2 protagonists, at least for now, as I said, I'm in episode 3, so sorry, but the protagonist is Tanjiro. I will put a picture over here of him, and he has a family. Okay, so if you are here, just there will be spoilers. So if you didn't see the first episode, just leave and then come back. If you did see it, no problem. So he had a family in the first episode, and he would be an Oni-san. Oni-san is big brother. Oni-san. So yet again, as it happened with the vocabulary of Spy X Family of father and mother, here it happens the same. We have 2 ways of saying brother. We can say ani, and then we can say oni-san, ani or oni-san. So what's the difference? So the difference is the same that happened kind of with chichi and otosan, for example. So oni-san is the term that you will use to refer directly to your brother. So for example, if Nezuko, her little sister, had to call him, at least the episodes that I saw, she doesn't speak at all. But well, if she had to talk to him, she would say Oni-san. But if, for example, she was talking about her brother in third person, meaning he's not there and he's talking with other people, she would probably say Ani. Ani. But the one that I think could appear in this anime is Oni-san, meaning big brother, if she talks someday. So I think. I'm not sure if she will talk. But well, Oni-san, big brother. And then the other one is the term for her. So she is the imoto. Imoto is little sister of the protagonist. So imoto, little sister.
妹だ俺の妹なんだそれが妹かチロお前の妹の首も跳ねるどうか妹を殺さないでください弱者が妹を治す妹を治す方法は鬼なら知ってるかもしれないなぜさっきお前は妹に覆いかぶさったこのしくじりで妹を取られている
We can actually hear the word Oni-san in the first minute of the episode when the protagonist Tanjiro is carrying Nezuko and she's talking to her like, please don't die, your brother, your big brother will be there for you, will help you out. So let's check out that clip.
お兄ちゃんが絶対に助けてやるからな
The word Oni-san can be also put in a more simple way to be more close, to be more like more friendly, more close, to express like more love with the word. So you can simplify it as ni-san or ni-chan, depends. But I think the word that we can hear more instead of oni-san would be ni-san or ni-chan in this anime. So let's check it out.
兄ちゃん兄ちゃんお兄ちゃん
兄ちゃんが助けてやる
Another word that I feel we could hear a few times in this anime is the word kazoku. Kazoku was family, and we also checked that word out with Spy X Family. So let's try to remember this word again. The word was kazoku, family, and we can hear it at least in the first episode. We can hear it a few times, and in the second one too.
家族を殺したやつを見つけ出すからそんなことが通用するならお前の家族は殺されていない家族を殺されお前の家族は死んでなかったかもしれん家族の仇を討つことも
I think the word that we will most hear in this anime is of course oni. And you probably already know this word if you already checked that anime out. But basically oni is demon, oni. And we will hear it a lot in this anime. Let's check it out.
鬼が出るぞ。
鬼ってどんなだ？鬼は
鬼だ鬼になんかなるな
I think another word that we will hear many times in this anime is 気をつけて. 気をつけて. Actually, it comes from 気をつける, 気をつけます. It basically means to be careful, to take care. And you can say it in general when you say goodbye to someone and you want that person to be safe or to be healthy. You could say to that person, take care. 気をつけて. Take care. Let's check it out.
気をつけてな。
So apparently Tanjiro has a very good sense of smell, because for the 3 episodes that I've seen, he's always talking about smelling stuff. So basically, to say a smell would be 匂い. So for example, you are eating something very tasty and it smells good, so you could say いい匂い. It smells good. So 匂い would be like smell. And he's always saying 匂い like all the time. So you will, if you try to remember this word that we checked out here today, the 匂い, and you try to hear it every time the word smell appears in the subtitles, you for sure will be able to memorize it. If you didn't already, because he says this word a lot, and I only seen 3 episodes, and I'm pretty sure he will be saying 匂い a lot. Let's check it out.
血の匂いがする。猫の匂いがする。血の匂い。
Another word that I think will appear a few times in this anime is the word 人間. 人間 means human. And I actually learned this word with Shingeki no Kyojin. I started watching that show when it just appeared on, TV in 2013. It's that old. If you didn't know, it's that old. So I started watching Shingeki no Kyojin by the time it was releasing. So the first season, so I watched every episode. And I actually memorized that word because they were saying ningen so many times. I just remember it. And I still, by that time, I wasn't learning Japanese. But I did memorize ningen because they were saying ningen all the time. And I think in this anime will also appear ningen a few times because, yes, the Nezuko is an oni, is a demon. So I think they will talk about being a human or not. So ningen is a word that I will also like to add. And let's check out how we can hear this word in the anime. 人間. Let's go.
いや違う禰豆子は人間だお人間に戻せ人間に戻ることはない
If we don't hear 人間, we will probably hear the word 人 instead. 人 is person. I think we checked it out many times in this channel with the counters, and we also checked that word out with the kanji of person, 人. But yes, try to remember that word too, because I'm pretty sure they will say 人 many times.
禰豆子は人を食ったりしない
Then this is a word that I heard both in the first episode and in the second episode and in the third episode. It's not that easy to spot out as nioi because they say nioi, like Tanjiro says nioi a lot. But it's the word karada. Karada means body. And we can hear this word also a few times in this anime. So I will also try to remember that word. And also when I'm watching it, try to check out if you can hear karada or not. Let's go. So this is for today. We checked out the words that appeared many times in the first episode of Demon Slayer, and we also checked the words that I feel like will appear a lot in this anime. But if you liked this video, if you liked checking out words that you can learn while watching this anime, let me know in the comment section, and I could let's say review other episodes, and we could check other episodes of this anime together and try to memorize those words together. Anime is also a shonen anime, so I'm pretty sure that in the future we will have many other words that will be repeated but still didn't appear in the first episodes, like, I don't know, chikara, meaning power, or tatakao meaning to fight, and many other things. So if you would like to see more of this, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in another video. またね、ありがとう。